Hello guys, today I'm going to be introducing to you this kit right here. This kit is for AC and to repair AC lines, and it comes in a box like that, and it has there's nothing up here, but we're going to go through several things. This kit the number is AC1387. It says Deluxe AC Line Repair Kit, and it's made in USA. I was repairing a line on a Lexus, guys. It didn't work, so let me just show you what it has in there. It got this flexible line here, such as this right here, and this is doesn't have a number like how, or it doesn't have it says 13 by 32 inch, 10 millimeters. All right, that's the one line there, and we have another line here. This one is let me see, these are all for R134A or R12, works with it also, right? And let me see if there's a number on this, like the size of this hose. Alright, there's no number on this one. I don't see anything. Or it does have it on this size. This is 5/8, which is 16 millimeter, right? And then you have another one here. This is 5/16, 8 millimeter. Alright, and then you have one more. We never use this kit. This kit belongs to my friend Ishmael, and he gave me this to repair a line on the Lexus. It was a truck 470, and I'll show you what I did. I was trying to do, but it didn't work. So this is a 1/2 inch line, 13 millimeter. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and then inside it has a couple of tools to squeeze the clamps. All right, and then it has a small box in here. It has a whole bunch of these little clamps to hold the lines up, and then you got a lot of compression fittings. These will block. You can, if you have a rear AC, you can block it off with this. Alright, so that's that. Then it has another box, another tool in here. I believe this is a cutter, and then also there's something here to hold something. I haven't used this, so I wasn't able to make this work. Alright guys, I'm gonna put these hoses back, and then I'll open the bottom drawers next. So we'll check them all out one by one. Alright, so that's what's on the top shelf, and then in the bottom you have a whole bunch of little boxes in here, and in here you have another block off line here. You have an adapter here. This is a splice, and then you can put a hose on this and put the clamps on top of that hose, and then you have these right here. So this was the smallest one in here. This was never used, guys. And here, if you have a Toyota or Lexus, it's not gonna work for you on the high pressure line, because you see this, look at how much play it has. It doesn't hold. It has to be there's an O-ring inside there. See, there's an O-ring in there, so this doesn't even, like, it would never hold the pressure for you, right? And I wasn't gonna take a chance, so what I did was I went and ordered me this AC line, and I put in an AC line in this Lexus truck. So this didn't work for me, so what I did was I would cut the line, and I was trying to put this in there, and the other end, because the line leaked in between, it got rusted, and so that was that. And then you have another drawer here. This has bigger. You could probably work this on a low pressure line, which is fatter. You got a whole bunch of adapters in there. All right. This is 5/8, and this is 5/8. These are all 5/8. All right. And this little guy right here, oh, that's not the one. This is probably from the other box. And there's instructions here. It will tell you how to do it, how to use the kit. And then you got almost 3/4. This is 3/4. All these are 3/4. You got splice. Alright, so all this is in here. You got this comes in an angle, and then you got clamps in here. This kit goes about almost like $400. And my friend Ijmal never used it. He was really hoping I was able to use it, and then I would have paid him. And we have more fittings in here. This is half inch. This is half inch. These are all half inch. And then you got the clamps for it. Alright guys, so here's the kit. You know, $400, and it probably work good on American cars, GM, Chevys, but it didn't work on this little line I had. So guys, this is AC 11387. That's the number on it. Deluxe AC line repair kit. Alright guys, so if this works for you good, I gave you a lot of numbers on it. Half inch, 3/8, 5/16, all these numbers. So if it matches, and if you need to use it, you could get this for $400. And I think it wasn't worth it for me. But if it did work on it, the line was only $120, you know, and the label would have been another $300 for that Lexus, and it would have been as much as this kit. But the whole problem was the line was really tough to install, and I could have had damage day, and it would have been square one. That's what I was trying to avoid. And so this would have spliced my line, you know, it would have repaired the line for me, but didn't work, guys. Alright, so it comes in a good pack. Alright guys, thank you, subscribe, and bye bye.